Hey everybody, Forrest and Joe here, ripping 2024 Select WWE Hobby 2-box number 3 random pack style. So just like the others, first box here will be the first 12 packs, left side with the packs facing up, 1 through however many. Usually, so we'll say 1 through 6 front back, and then it'll be 7 through 12 front back there. And then we'll just continue on the same way with the next one. Get through 1 through 24. Let's randomize. Let's rip. Good luck. 2 people in this break. 2 people in this break.
Just 2?
It's a 6 and a 1 7 times. That's 6 back there.
Yeah, you are correct.
Feels weird to print out the the order sheet when it's two names. It's 3 orders, but 2 names. Yeah. 7 on our random here.
I love it. I love it. I can get behind it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Joseph M. down to Andrew T. And 7 times on the packs. Dude, Andrew just really good chance winning a signed Soto or Acuna jersey here. Maybe the best chance I'd have anybody tonight.
He's
honestly
probably leading the way.
And the packs 1,
Noah, good night.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 13 down to 1.
Hiccups, I need water.
Joe's cooked, everybody. Okay, so I'm going to make this easy. Joseph M. has 13 and 24. Andrew T. has the rest.
13 and 24.
I'm not going to read off every single number here.
He's basically got like the 2 middle packs.
Joseph M. has 13 and 24. He's got 2 packs in the second box. So the first box is all Andrew T. Because that'd be 1 through 12.
1 middle pack, 1 end pack.
Yeah.
Hello,
So there you
Dalton.
go. Joseph M. 13 and 24. Andrew T. All others. We get that uploaded. We'll go ahead and get started. Both of you can find these results again if you need to, although I doubt you'll need them. There's a link for you. All right, let me sort this by number so I don't forget it.
Joe, that's you in there? Chicago Joe.
At least your packs are in the same box, Joe. It increases your odds of a hit.
True.
In my mind, anyway. Like, I think it does. Okay, so the first box is entirely Andrew. But I'll stack them like it. See, look at this. This would go this way.
That's
That's how that would go.
Yeah. There's 12 packs on that?
Yeah.
These are all of 1 through 12 are...
Yep, they're all Andrew.
So.
All right, 1 through 12.
All right.
I'm not even going to count these out.
Do I need to even... Maybe just 13 and 24?
Yeah, then combine the rest, I guess.
Yeah.
Just write a note like...
Yeah.
All the packs combined. Silver Triple H. And a Ricky the Dragon Steamboat to 249. Pack 2. All right, it is a redemption here after a Silver Jimmy Uso. Come on, let's see a big one here. Signatures, blue signatures of Oscar. Nice, pretty solid hit there. Oscar Auto, blue. Let's go 1. Number 3. Dirty Dominic Mysterio, silver turbocharged, and a tricolor of Nikolai Volkov. 4. Stephanie Vaquer. Silver Sensations, Rhea Ripley. And a maroon, The Godfather, out of 149 premier level. 5. Silver China and New, and a silver Vader die cut. 96? That is a Don Morocco blue autograph numbered to 49. Pretty solid autos in this one. 2 numbered ones. Oscar and Don Morocco. And then a silver of John Bradshaw Layfield. This is 7 here. Rey Mysterio jersey. Shirt. Relic. Just say relic. Silver Solruka. I don't think they're jerseys. I don't think they're jerseys. Tuesday night, we have the WWE signed walkout t-shirts from Fanatics break-in. So if you guys like WWE and memorabilia, I imagine they're going to be pretty sick. It's under wraps, so it'll be a good time. Silver Bianca Belair Phenomenon. And White Prism is Molly Holly. 55 out of 125. WWE legend. Number 9 here. Silver turbocharged Solo Sikoa. And a silver of Wendy Richter. This is number 10.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Wendy Richter is the one that had Cyndi Lauper as her teammate or something.
Really?
Yeah.
Silver Gunther. Cyndi Lauper, kind of a goat, dude. Bray Wyatt, tricolor.
She was cool. Yeah.
11. We do not have a lot of this available for personals, especially since somebody ripped 2 cases already. Yeah, first and last pack, Joe.
First and last pack.
Turbocharged LA Knight silver and a Finn Balor teal to 199. This is number 12. Silver Sensations of Sol Ruka and a tricolor Ivy Nile. All right. 13 through 24 here. Okay, so 13 right here. This is Joe. Good luck, Joe.
Go, Joe.
Yes, Dalton. Yep. That's correct. We don't have a ton left. Got a hit here. Looks like. Yeah, it's Oscar Relic. Selective Swatches Oscar Relic.
Okay.
Got a hit. And a silver Becky Lynch. Okay, so 24 is the bottom over there. I'm literally just going to separate the stacks now. I'm just going to combine. So that's 24. That's Joe. All right, do Andrew stack now and then do 24. So it's still in order. Charlotte Flair turbocharged silver and a Mankind out of 199. It's Mankind's. I'm gonna make you wait, Joe. Make you wait. Go in order. There's one of the autos, a redemption. After a silver Stacy Keibler. Oh. Didn't get a slow roll. Signatures, redemption of Seth freaking Rollins. Nice. Go, Andrew. Seth freaking Wallace. Seth Rollins. Seth freaking Rollins. Nice, man. Seth Rollins. Silver Sensations, Lola Vice, and a tricolor Otis. Luck Andrew Silver, Eddie Guerrero, and new. A Razor Ramon out of 75 on the lime green. Yeah, I just stopped counting. Silver Drew McIntyre Phenomenon and silver Xavier Woods. The die cut. It's like the second auto of the box here is going to be Ilya Dragunov. The ringside action signatures. Andrew again got both the autos. A silver of Solo Sikoa. That's all the hits for the second box already. Let's see some nice low numbers here. Silver turbocharged Kyrie Sane. LA Knight on the teal to 249 concourse. Silver Sensations, Cora Jade, and a silver Liv Morgan. Silver and new Liv Morgan, tricolor Elton Prince. Last one for you, Andrew. Just pack 23. Silver Mankind, White Concourse, Dusty Rhodes out of 125.
American Dream.
All right, Joe. Good luck, man. Osborne. There's a silver turbocharged Braun Breaker. And is a tricolor. Booker T. That was my guy when I was a kid. Booker T on the premier level tricolor. All right. Thank you, Andrew and Joseph, for filling that one up. Appreciate you both. Moving on to Noir Basketball.